y'all, welcome back to Keeping Up with KD. So as you can see by the title, I'll be doing a DIY project today. I've been waiting to do this project for the longest now. I went to Target and I got me this marble contact paper. What's this called? Putty knife. Yeah. Putty knife. So yeah, I got a 3-pack. These were the last ones in Target. So we're about to see how this turns out. I'm gonna start on this wall here, cause this is where I do majority of my recording. On this little wall here. I'm gonna do my whole living room, but this is gonna be like a test. So stay tuned. I think it's gonna be cute. I'll be doing a lot more DIY projects. I have so many in store that I want to do. Alright y'all, so I only did this little portion because I really wanted to see if I could do it and if it would turn out right. And it turned out really, really good. Ooh, my background gonna be lit. But this is all. I'm gonna do a part 2 to this, so y'all can see when I do my whole living room. Cause tomorrow I'm gonna go about like, how many more do you think I need?
A big ass wall.
I know, but this one, I say this one gonna be one. I think it's like the same size as this.
This one gonna be one just from film. Got the picture right there.
Right.
So I'm about to put a marble
around it, and then like just do the outside, and then that's just gonna
finish this wall first.
So you gonna do that one
first? Yeah, you need to knock this wall on out because this ain't a wall. You just gonna go around the window.
So I'm gonna need like 3.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and I got this from Target. I didn't even know they sold them in Target until we went in there today looking for some other stuff. And I seen it and I spotted it and I had to get it because I was like, I've been procrastinating on doing this and I'm finally doing it. They have it on Amazon too, but it's cheaper in Target. On Amazon it's $7.99, but in Target it's $5.99. So.
Oh, we should have used the smaller ones.
You think that would have helped?
Yeah, instead of using the big one.
This is what we use. I told y'all it was like a 3-pack.
Like to get the air bubbles out there. Just one bubble.
Yeah, but I'm in love. They have a ton of different patterns too. So I'm definitely gonna do my bathroom and I'm gonna think about how I want to theme our bedroom because you don't have marble everywhere. I don't know. We'll come up with something, but that's all for today's video. If you want to see more of my DIY projects, let me know in the comments some projects you think I can do to spice up my apartment because I'm about to be doing this like all the time. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Give this video a like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share everything, and I'll see you guys next time.